Hello, today you're looking at a Met-Chem 100 cubic foot air over hydraulic filter press brought to you by Lanco. This unit has 51 1500 millimeter plates. It's outside of the press right now. Here are the plates. They are membrane plates and they are gasketed. They will need new cloth and gasketing prior to shipping. It's a double end feed filter press. There's the one feed here in the middle with a 4-corner return. Overall dimensions of the press, 282 inches long by 86 inches wide by 120 inches high. It does have a conveyor belt there on the bottom. Dimensions of the conveyor belt, 312 inches long by 36 inches wide. We'll turn that on in a second so you can see and hear it go. Here are the hoses that get connected to the plates for the membrane plates. Stainless steel plumbing all throughout this filter press on the inlets and outlets. Here is the other feed located underneath. Conveyor belt does have a rubber belt, and to turn that on, you would hit the conveyor start. And there goes the belt. To operate the press, you would hit close to start it going. You do that to close it. To stop closing it, you hit the stop, obviously. This does have an air-operated plate shifter at the top there. We have an air line hooked up to it. We'll come back around this side so you can see and hear how that goes. Here is the pump, runs the whole system. And we'll come over here. Here is the plate shifter. To operate it, press your thumb on one direction or the other. Flows it out in between the presses or in between the plates. It opens it up. The cake would then fall into this trap chute here and onto the conveyor and off into your dumpster. Very nice working condition to press. Come back around. Take a look inside the control panel. Very nice, very clean. All new hoses for the hydraulic lines. And to stop the conveyor, hit stop conveyor. Conveyor stops. Close press stop. And when it's time to open it, hit that button. It takes a couple seconds to start going. Come back around here and you can see the push plate very slowly but surely opening back up. If you're interested in this filter press, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.